I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today's video is really special because I'm in my new setup. You can see behind me I have some paper, new background, which is in this case it is black. We have our lighting and I have my new camera on which I'm filming right now and my new lens. I am so excited. I've been wanting to purchase this camera for the longest time, and now today actually is the day I went and bought the camera in the store, and I also bought my dream lens, which is 85mm 1.4, which is so unreal, but in the same time I'm so grateful and happy that we finally purchased this equipment. Tomorrow actually I'm going to purchase a gimbal for the camera so I can create more videos and produce more content for my YouTube channel or also for my Instagram channel. If you don't follow me there, join my family there on Instagram and Twitter. All links will be down below. But yes, I'm gonna pick up my DJI Ronin as a gimbal. This is also a dream of mine for the longest time. I am so happy with the quality of the video. I'm looking myself in the monitor over there, and I'm so happy with the sharpness of the image. The autofocus, which is the tracking mode, it is so cool. Like, you can see me moving and I'm still on focus. This is amazing. We are now in our spare room in our apartment, and we basically turned it to a studio. We want to purchase some shelves where we can put all our equipment, camera equipment like cards, lenses and so on. The look I created right now, it is my Valentine's makeup look that I created. So maybe you will get inspired and to recreate this look for the Valentine's Day. If you want to see how to achieve this Valentine's makeup glam, then keep on watching. Start off with moisturizing my skin. I'm using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's really good. This is my go-to moisturizer when I'm doing my makeup. I also like to use a rose water. For my foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. My go-to foundation, I'm using the Real Technique sponge to apply the foundation. I'm using only a pump of the foundation. This is my skin, how it looks like after one pump. For concealer, I'm using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage concealer. Before I set the concealer, I'm gonna use a cream product. Now I'm using this Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Yacht. This is a creamed powder blush. Super pretty. I like to use a good amount of it and leave it like that. I'm using this Morphe MV5 brush. Blend it out. You can see it added a little bit of sheen and shimmer to the cheeks, which I really like. I did a first impressions video reviewing that product, you can check it out. For bronzer, I'm using my favorite one, and this is from Marc Jacobs, their Fantastic bronzer. I've been using this for the last like 4 or 5 months, and I am loving this. It is really blendable, beautiful. I'm gonna bake a little bit, and I'm using the Rimmel London Match Perfection loose powder. I will use tiny bit just to set my concealer. When I am done with my eye makeup look, I will go and add some more blush. But I want to finish my eye makeup look so I can see how much blush I want to add to the skin. Going in with two highlighters. The first one is from Dior, their Glow Face palette. This is how it looks like. I did a first impressions video on this palette. I'm gonna link it somewhere here, you can check it out. I will add a little bit because after that I'm going with this really popping and blinding highlighter, and I don't want to go overboard. And the second highlighter, which is I'm really excited, is from Persona Cosmetics. Now it's time for brows. I'm using Catrice Cosmetics, a Slim Matic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, waterproof, in the shade medium. This is how it looks like. It's cheap. It is really affordable. Now I will use this Maybelline Brow Mascara. And my main palette that I'm gonna use are this Persona Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, Cover Theory Eye Kit in the shade Pink, and also the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I use the concealer as my eyeshadow base. The next shade, it is called Taupe Pink. Next shade it is called Pink, which is my favorite shade in this palette. I'm switching to this Persona Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. I like the shape of the brush. That triangle shape. Sure. I will concentrate the shape mainly in this part of the eye. Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna use my finger. Also, I'm using this shade, Angelic. My waterline, I'm using the Persona Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Plum. Applying false lashes is probably my hardest thing about makeup. Finish off the look, I will apply two MAC lipsticks. First we go with Cream Cup and Whirl. And for gloss, I'm using this Chanel in 166 gloss. Like I said, I will go and apply some more blush on the cheeks. I will use this MAC blush in the shade Dainty. I want to add a little bit more blush, the MAC one, and this Klein blush in the shade Blush with Desire. How it looks like. It's one of my favorite.